Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and Zoho CRM. So the use case here is that whenever a customer is updated in WooCommerce, we want to add them as contact in Zoho CRM. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas Zoho CRM, as the name suggests, it is a CRM software. The issue here is that WooCommerce and Zoho CRM don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software with the help of which you can transfer data from WooCommerce to Zoho CRM. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign into our account. So I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I am going to name this workflow and I'll name it as WooCommerce to Zoho CRM. I'll just create it. Okay, so now here in this workflow, I am going to integrate WooCommerce with Zoho CRM using Pabbly Connect. So first I am going to integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect and then I will integrate Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. So in choose app, I am going to put WooCommerce and in choose method according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is updated in WooCommerce, we want to add contacts in Zoho CRM. That is why customer updated will be our trigger method over here, this one. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? What am I trying to explain? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a customer is updated in WooCommerce, we want to add contacts in Zoho CRM. That is why customer updated in WooCommerce will be our trigger, whereas creating a contact in Zoho CRM will be our action. So when you click on choose method, you can see we have various other trigger methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger method. Okay, so now when you come down, you can see this term called webhook URL. So after choosing the app and selecting the method, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is WooCommerce over here. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this webhook URL? So webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and WooCommerce. So here you can read the instructions carefully and follow them. So now I'll copy the webhook URL from here and I'll go to my WooCommerce account. So this is my WooCommerce page and here in settings, I'm going to click on it. Okay, so here you can see the advanced tab over here. So I'll click on it. And now we're going to add the webhooks. And now I will add webhook. So I'll click on add webhook. Okay, so now here we have to fill all these details. So the name I am going to give it as WooCommerce to Zoho CRM. Okay, status is going to be active and topic is customer updated. This one, delivery URL. So here you have to paste the URL that you have got from Pabbly Connect. So I'll just paste it. Okay, so now I'll go down and I'm going to click on Save Webhook. Okay, now I'll just save it again. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my Pabbly Connect and I'm going to click on Capture Webhook Response. So now what we have to do is we have to go to our WooCommerce account and we have to update a customer. So I have already opened this page over here and now I will log in. Jen, okay, password is, I'll just log in. Okay, so now I will edit the password and account details. Okay, so last name I'll change it to Jen. Okay, I'll just save the changes. So you can see we have changed the account details. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured the webhook response. So you can see we have captured the webhook response. We have changed the last name over here. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. Okay. And now here we have finished our first step integration, that is integration of WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. So now here I'm going to choose Zoho CRM, this one. And in choose method, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is updated in WooCommerce, we want to create a contact in Zoho CRM. So create contact. Okay. Now I'll connect with Zoho CRM. Now create new or select existing credentials. Now here, if you have any existing credentials like this, you can directly select them and you are done. But here I am going to click on new credentials and now I'm going to connect with Zoho CRM. So it is asking us for the domain name. If I go to Zoho CRM, you can see the domain is zoho.com. So I'll just copy the zoho.com and I'll paste it over here. Done. Okay, I'll click on accept. Now you don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. So now here we have these empty fields and we are going to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. So first is lead source. So we are getting this lead from WooCommerce, which is an online store. That is why I am going to click on online store. First name, let us add the name, Sushant, last name, Jen, email. So email, we have to map the billing one. So I'll put this one. Okay, rest I'll just leave it. And now I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully integrated WooCommerce with Zoho CRM. I'll click on save. Okay, so now let's go to Zoho CRM and see if a contact is created there or not. So I'll go to Zoho CRM and I'll just refresh this page. Okay, so you can see Sushant Jain is here with the email over here. So we have successfully finished the integration here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll just go back to my WooCommerce page over here and I am going to log out this one. And now I'm going to log in a new customer. Okay, username is John. Password is, okay, login. Okay, I'll edit your password and account details. So I'll change the last name over here. Okay, now I'll go down and I'm going to click on save changes. Okay, so we have changed the details successfully. Now I'll go to Zoho CRM and let's see if a new contact is created there or not. I'll just refresh the page. So you can see John Darius is over here with the email test@test.com. So here we have successfully finished the integration. Our integration is working fine. So now I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize this. So here in our example, what has happened is first the information came from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Zoho CRM. So now every time a new customer is updated in WooCommerce, a contact will be created in Zoho CRM automatically. So we have finished the integration of WooCommerce and Zoho CRM using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.